Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to justify text in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. If you have not already opened it up, you want to go right here, type this out, open it up, and once you do, you'll be opening up this Google Forms main page where in the upper right corner we can get started signing up for a new account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just log in normally. So after logging into your Google account, now we can get started. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page where we can get started creating a new form. We can take a look at all the forms we have already created, and now we can get started justifying any options that we want to use. So let's go ahead and open up one of our forms right here where we can take a look at our form where we have our text, our questions, and so on, everything we need that we want to justify. So this is how your form is going to look. And now we can take a look at this article right here. As you can see, somebody on support Google already asked how to align text to right to left or left to right in Google Forms. And basically they got an answer that this is still not possible. You cannot form text and you cannot format text in Google Forms. But what you can do guys, if you want to format it from right to left automatically, is to set the language to Arabic, because the Arabic language is going to format it like this and justify it from right to left. And if you want to go ahead and make it align from left to right, then you can just go and have the normal English language, because this is the automatic formation that is going to have with that language. But basically the only way options you can use for justifying your text are these two if you need any kind of help. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.